Hi again. Welcome to another unboxing. And this is again a little late, but this is my latest package received from Sew Sampler. And it's my Holiday Fat Quarter Club monthly subscription package. Looks like this is Christmas related. This is for September 2019. It's called featuring Kringle and Claus. So let's get into it. I'm liking the colors. So it doesn't usually tell me which company it is from. So let's look if we can figure it out. So here we go. I can't tell by the selvage, so anyway, it says it is Kringle and Claus. As usual, I'll put everything in the description on how to receive this package monthly if you would like to. So this is, we get 12 fat quarters a month, and this first one is a black Christmas tree on a black background. Beautiful ornate Christmas ornaments on a black background. This looks like mistletoe and holly berries, also on a dark black background. This one has little Christmas, I hope you can see it. Let me bring it up closer. Christmas drawings, line drawings on a red background. This is, looks like mistletoe again on a red background with acorns. Santa, Jolly Santa on a green background. Again, the ornaments, ornate ornaments on a green background. This is an all over small print, Christmas print on a green background. This is the same Christmas tree but on a light green background. This is again the acorns, and it has gold berries and red berries on a light green background. This one is looks like pine branches with red stars on a light green background. And this is the same thing, red pine trees with a burgundy maroon star on a white background. And that's it. Let me see again if I can tell what this is on the selvage. So, not really. There's no information. Yep, doesn't look like there's any information on the oh, there we go. Moda Fabrics, Kringle and Claus. So it shows on here. Okay, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Bye.